Hello, this is Roseline YouTube channel. I welcome you if you're a returning subscriber, and if you are watching me for the first time, you are also welcome. If you have ever dreamed of starting a new career, a new life in Canada, now is the time. Seize this opportunity. The beautiful province of Prince Edward Island is actively seeking professionals between the ages of 18 to 59 to join their vibrant community. This golden chance comes through the Canadian Healthcare Attraction Recruitment Mission set to take place in Dubai in February 2024. Who should attend? If you are currently residing anywhere in the United Arab Emirates, mark your calendar for this event. Agencies, organizations, and recruitment teams in collaboration with the Prince Edward Island Office of Immigration will be present to facilitate the recruitment process. Why Prince Edward Island? Located in the eastern part of Canada, Prince Edward Island offers a high quality of life, beautiful landscapes, a welcoming community. The province is particularly renowned for its excellent healthcare system, making it an ideal destination for healthcare professionals seeking new opportunities. Recruitment mission details. Date: February 2024. Location: Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Registration process: 1. Visit the official website. Head over to the official website of the Prince Edward Island Office of Immigration. There, you would find detailed information about the recruitment mission. 2. Create an account. Register for an account on the website. This will be your portal for accessing all the necessary information and submitting your application. 3. Complete your profile. Fill in your personal and professional details. Highlight your skills, qualifications, and any relevant experience in the healthcare sector. 4. Upload required documents. Prepare and upload essential documents such as your resume, your academic certificate, and your professional certificate. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. 5. Review your eligibility criteria. Familiarize yourself with the eligibility criteria for the positions available. Make sure you meet the age requirements and you possess the necessary qualifications. 6. Submit your application. Once your profile is complete and your documents are uploaded, submit your application. Be thorough in providing the required information to enhance your chances of selection. 7. Attend the recruitment mission. If you are shortlisted, make plans to attend the Canadian Healthcare Attraction Recruitment Mission in Dubai. This is your opportunity to meet with representatives, learn more about the available positions, and showcase your skills. Benefits of moving to Canada. Quality healthcare. Access Canada's renowned healthcare system known for its excellence and inclusivity. Educational opportunities. Provide your family with access to world-class education at Canadian schools and universities. Multicultural environment. Enjoy the richness of Canada's diverse culture and make lasting connections with people from around the world. Safe and welcoming community. Experience the safety and the warmth of Canadian communities where residents are known for their friendliness and hospitality. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your Canadian dream into a reality. Start your journey by registering for the Canadian Healthcare Attraction Recruitment Mission today. In my next video, I will break down the step-by-step process of the registration. Thank you for listening. Till then, bye.